Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist, professional makeup artist, and lover of theatrics. And today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I go about my nighttime skincare routine. Let's jump into it. All right, first things first, we're going to go ahead and remove those lashes. Just peel them off very gently. If they're sticking to anything, use eye makeup remover because they should not be sticking. I just like to lay a little bit of this cleanser on a cotton swab and just really kind of massage it into my skin. Love this stuff. I just found it. It's really kind of a miracle. It really does help to get all of the makeup off, but it also feels nice and soothing at the same time. It's not stripping, which I love. Another thing that's kind of cool about it is it's ophthalmologist tested. So a lot of people don't know you really shouldn't be using oil products around your eyes because it can lead to glaucoma. So when I'm using an eye makeup remover, I like to make sure that it is oil-free and ophthalmologist tested. The only other one that I know of, I'm sure that there are more out there, is Clinique. But the fact that that's written on the bottle makes me feel very safe about using this product. It also doesn't irritate my eyes, which a lot of them do. So that's kind of cool. Really gently massaging it into the skin, making sure to lift up any of the makeup that I have put down. Now I'm going to take that same cleanser and I'm going to put a little bit more on a clean cotton swab, and I'm going to let that rest on my eye for a second so it starts to kind of break up the makeup that's there, and I don't have to do a whole lot of swiping on my eye to get the product off. Because with skincare, the more manipulation you do to the skin, obviously eventually it is going to cause wrinkles. So I like to just kind of do that and see what I get off, and then do it again. Now that all the makeup is off my face, we can actually go in and clean the face, and I actually like to use two cleansers for this. So because I've worn makeup, I like to use a little bit of a stronger cleanser than the Cetaphil that I normally use, but I will mix the two of these so that I'm getting clean and kind of scrubbing off a little bit more than I would with just this one, but it's not going to give me that harsh feeling alone that just this one will. So I'm going to mix these two together. So literally taking like one pump of that and then one pump of that, and I'm just going to mix them so it's this nice kind of like soothing consistency, but we're still getting all of the makeup and dead skin cells and all that jazz, and then I'm just going to rinse it off. I'll be right back. All right, now my face is all clean. I'm just going to towel, blot it dry. So next up in my routine, I'm going to put down a moisturizer, and then I'm going to put down a retinol cream. I have been following this lovely dermatologist on YouTube, and her skin just looks awesome, and I'm trying to work my way up to using retinol every day, and she suggested to work your way into it by doing it every other day or like once a week if your skin is sensitive. My skin is sensitive, so right now I'm up to about 2 times a week. So I like to sandwich the products as she suggested, and I go in first with my moisturizer and then I go in with the retinol. So where is my moisturizer? That would be cute if I had it though. Hang on one second. So I'm going to take my Moisture Surge from Clinique and I'm going to lay that down first. Don't forget the neck. Everything that you do to your face, you should also be doing to your neck. That's a good rule of thumb. This is the retinol cream that I'm going to be using today. This is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max. And she suggested this if you're just getting started because it is not as strong as some of the other ones, but it does still do the trick. So she said that retinol creams, despite what people think, are actually a very good thing to wear daily if you can work your way up to it, because they really do help to keep fine lines and wrinkles away. A lot of people think that retinols or retinoids thin out the skin, and they don't. According to her, they actually just thin out the dead skin cell barrier that's on our face, which is actually what we want, because that's what you're doing when you're exfoliating. You're getting rid of those dead skin cells, and this just helps to break them down. So I've been really loving this cream so far. I will say that the first week I tried to go a little ham, and I might have done it a couple more days than I should have, thinking, you know, my skin wasn't as sensitive as it is. It's very sensitive. Take your time. I do it once, maybe twice a week. And she also recommends to put it on your hands, which I've been doing, because our hands also are the first things to show signs of aging. So after that, after my retinol cream is on, I go back in with my moisturizer as another protective barrier. The next one that I'm going to use is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Night Press Serum. This stuff is thick, but it does feel so nice in the morning after I put this on. So like if I've had a day where I'm wearing makeup and my skin just feels kind of dry, or it's like really dry outside, I put this on at night, and the next morning my skin feels so great. It feels like heavenly. So I really like this stuff too. And it's Neutrogena, it's affordable, it's not gonna break the bank. So I really like this as well. So I'm gonna go in with my eye cream next. This is the retinol cream as well, but this is for eyes. Just take a small amount and massage it into the skin, making sure to avoid the eye opening. I'm gonna take a little bit and put it up here, a little bit up here as well. I'm gonna ring fingers, I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in. This area on our body, the skin is the thinnest, so you do want to be gentle with it. That's why I'm taking my 2 ring fingers and gently massaging it into the skin. All right, and last but certainly not least, you guys know I have to have some lip stuff on my lips. I can't stand when they're dry. So I'm going back in with the Clinique Moisture Surge Lip Hydro Plump, and I'm gonna finish off with that. All right, guys, that is my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will get back to you. I enjoy reading your comments and everything you guys have to say, so don't hesitate to let me know if you have a question. If you enjoyed this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? Also, if you're into this kind of content, please consider smashing that subscribe button. I upload videos weekly, and I would love to see you guys next week. Thanks again for joining me. Bye!